Hi, this is Terry with Exactline Tools. Today we're going to do a repair on a Honda quarter panel. This is a previously uploaded video that we made some corrections on. In this video, I'm not going to be talking through the repairs. I'm just going to be showing you all the sweeps that were necessary in order to produce a beautiful repair. At the end of the video, I'll come back and speak a few more words about it. I hope you enjoy the video. Well, here we go. As another bothersome memory has completely dissolved away, we are happy to present a brighter outlook to another delighted customer. If you like this video, please subscribe, like this video, and share with everyone. Thank you for watching. God bless you all.